Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'll be opening Geek Gear Wizardry and also Geek Gear Wizardry Special Edition, and these are both the October box. So first of all, yeah, I have the regular edition and then the special edition for October. So let's open up the regular one first, and then we'll open up the special edition. And if you don't know, I love Geek Gear. And if you're ever looking for a subscription box to get for Harry Potter, Geek Gear is one of the very best. So first of all, we have this tab right here to pull open. And open it up, and you can see we have the yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff, because I am a Hufflepuff. And inside, it feels like a t-shirt. Yes, it is definitely a t-shirt. I'm not quite sure what is on it yet. Let's see. I think that's supposed to be a phoenix. If it's not, let me know. But yeah, I like that it's black and yellow because Hufflepuff. But yeah, there we go. That's a nice t-shirt. Next up, I'm just gonna grab something blindly. Here we go. I don't know what's in this envelope. Let me try and guess. I have no idea. Is this a wand? Like a mini pen wand or something? That's my guess. I know I did it last time, but this is a pen wand. Last time it was a broom, like a little miniature broom. But I think this is gonna be a pen wand this time. Oh, nope, nope. I am 100% wrong. This is the Fang of the Basilisk. Really, really cool. I wonder if that means that we're gonna get Tom Riddle's diary in here. We might see Tom Riddle's diary, but I don't wanna like get my hopes up for nothing. So, but yeah, here we go. Basilisk Fang, not a pen wand. Why do I keep wanting a pen? I don't even want a pen wand really. So, I don't know. Oh, hey, more Hufflepuff merchandise. Let's see what this is. Is it a scarf? It is a scarf. Here we go. A nice little scarf for a Hufflepuff. It's pretty nice. Nice and warm. I'm glad it's not itchy. A lot of times like this type of fabric is itchy, but this actually feels pretty good. So yeah, there we go. Hufflepuff scarf. And next we have something else in a package. Oh, nano metal figs. Actually, I saw these. These are pretty cool. This is like little Harry Potter figurines. I think they're made of metal. I'm gonna have to open this and find out. This one's Dumbledore. But I was looking at these because I was doing the Harry Potter Monopoly and I was trying to figure out what I wanted to use for the pieces. And this was one of my options. I was thinking about using the nano metal figs, and I ended up just using the pieces from Harry Potter Seen It, I think. So let's open this up and see. I think they're made of metal because, I mean, if they're not, why else would they be called metal figs? Yeah, definitely made of metal. Good quality. I'm happy this isn't plastic. And this is Dumbledore. So, there you go. You have a metal fig Dumbledore. All right, let's see what else we've got in this box. And I already saw that this is the recipes. Here we go. Always comes with a couple of recipes. This is a spider roast and berry mascarpone pies. Berry and mascarpone pies, sorry. But yeah, a spider roast. Let's see. Normally a person wouldn't think that a spider would be tasty, but this looks tasty. And then we have pies to go as dessert. So there you go, that's your meal. Too bad I didn't see this before Thanksgiving. This is what I'd cook. Okay, and we've got, I think, just one more thing, just the print. And it's usually in like just a, this one's framed. This is nice. It's usually just, you know, it has cardboard in the back, but this one is framed, and it's Bellatrix Lestrange's Wanted poster. I'm very happy with this. I would hang this on my wall. I probably will. It'll be in the background there. But yeah, there we go. We have the Wanted poster for Bellatrix Lestrange in a nice thick frame here. I like that. That's really, really good quality, and I appreciate that. All right, and then we've got the cheat sheet. So yeah, the nanofigs that you receive, they are random. So I got Dumbledore, but you could have gotten a number of different characters. Next month's box will be our festive box. So we're going to be getting a Christmas festive type box next month. Can't wait for next month. Let's see. Now I also have the special edition to open. So let's get into that. And this one, unfortunately, does not have the tab to pull. I think it's just kind of open right here. Let's see. Yeah, it's just open. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, we have blue tissue paper. So I'm guessing this isn't themed. Otherwise, I'm getting Ravenclaw when I'm not a Ravenclaw. So this is not themed. So here we go. Oh, and green. So yeah, this is definitely not themed. Oh, here we go. Oh, 2 t-shirts. This is like Christmas. Oh, something else fell out of the t-shirts, but I'm going to ignore that and take a look at the t-shirts. So this is a long sleeve t-shirt, and it looks like it has a stag sort of in a stained glass window type thing there. That's pretty cool. I don't really wear white that much, but it's a pretty cool t-shirt. All right, now let's see what the next t-shirt is. Wow, is there 3 t-shirts in here? Nope, just 2. Okay, cool. Here we go. So the next one is a short-sleeved black t-shirt, and this is a Niffler. A Niffler. I love Nifflers. Okay. It looks like a Niffler, a Bowtruckle, and then maybe even like a Thestral or something in the background there. But regardless, this shirt I do like. I do wear black more so than white. So there we go. Let's see what else we have right here. We have sort of like a box. Nope, this is a coffee mug. Flue powder. Speak clearly. Okay, there we go. And this is an officially licensed coffee mug for Flue powder. I like this. I don't have too many Harry Potter coffee mugs. I just got a different one in Gobstone Alley's box, but this one's very cool as well. Okay, let's open up some more stuff. There is something in a red looking envelope right here. I know I always guess a pen wand, but it's not a pen wand. Let's see, what could it be? Okay, so this is a broom. This is a firebolt. And I think last box we got a Nimbus 2000 just like this. Just like a small miniature Nimbus 2000. This one is a firebolt. So that's pretty cool. There we go. It's a nice thing to add to the set. And okay, there's definitely a wand in here. Because what else could this possibly be than a wand? Let's see. I hope it's Sirius Black's. No, it's not. I hope it's not the Elder Wand, because I already have an Elder Wand. But let's see. I think it is the Elder Wand, just by like feeling it in the tissue paper right there. It is the Elder Wand. Actually, this one is better than the Elder Wand I got before. And I think the Elder Wand I got before, was that from Geek Gear? I can't remember. But yeah, this one is definitely much better quality than the other Elder Wand that I got. And it has this little piece right here with the symbols on it. So yeah, we've got this nice looking Elder Wand right here. Very cool. And it's I think it's a little bit longer. Let me see if I can find that other Elder Wand. Here we go. So here's the other Elder Wand that I got. And here is the new Elder Wand. So it's not longer. They're just about the same size. in length, but you can tell that this new one, which is the one on top, is just a bit, it's better painted, and it has this piece right here with the symbols on it, which I like. So yeah, there we go. I have two different versions of the Elder Wand. But yeah, this new one that I got is definitely my favorite out of the two. All right, let's see. What else have we got in here? Oh, I think there are two more things. It looks like we have a potions class pin, or not a potions class pin, but a potions book pin. So here is the potions book. And there's one more thing, which is a framed print, and it is Seeker Weekly. So here you go. You can see it says Seeker Weekly right here up on top, and it has the same looking graphic right here as you would see on the Quidditch World Cup. But it's still a very cool framed print. The only other thing left is the cheat sheet, but I don't think there's much in here that we really need to go over. There wasn't anything that was a mystery in here. So yeah, that is that. That was the unboxing of Geek Gear's October box and October special edition. If you did like this video, give it a like down below. It does help with YouTube's algorithm, so a lot more people will see my video if you like this video. Stay tuned for all of my DIYs, unboxings, and next month I will be unboxing more Geek Gear Wizardry. If you are interested in getting Geek Gear's box, the link is in the description box below. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.